Welcome to this new iQuotePro Flash video. Today we see a useful feature that helps you in planning and estimating the favorites. Once the cut part of our software is open, we select, for example, a cabinet wash basin from the refrigeration library and insert it with drag and drop into the drawing section with accessory, a shower unit. Then we insert a refrigerated table and we are going to place it next to the previous one. Again, we insert a one-door fridge and place it again next to the previous one. And then a one-door freezer, always next to the previous one. Finally, to complete our group, we insert a wall unit with sliding doors and position it as usual by dragging and turning it to the desired position. Now let's select the Favorites tab. As we can see, there are already some folders that contain other compositions. We generate a new folder, which we call Demo, in which we want to store our composition. So let's give a name to our composition created, calling it, for example, Demo Favorite. As you can see, a new branch has been created in the browser, where we will store our composition. Now let's go to select the object we want to be part of our composition. Going to select them all and indicating which one we want to be the base point. That is the point from which we will drag the composition when we want to reuse it. At this point, we can close the drawing section even without saving it. We enter an offer that contains a project that we are already managing, and at this point we check if we can use the composition that we have generated and set aside as favorite. We select the Favorite tab. Inside we find what we have just generated, that is the Demo Favorite composition. We can then insert it into the drawing like any other object. As you can see, the objects are automatically numbered one by one following the preset scheme in the project. This is because the favorite is not a block, but a set of independent objects. In fact, we can also insert our favorite dividing the items from the composition. For example, we free these two pieces, and when inserting, we will operate first with the first objects and then with the other two we have released, freely inserting them where we prefer or deleting them. It's really easy to work with iQuotePro tools.